Today we will learn about the division. Okay. Now, before starting to the division, we need to learn few things. Suppose, so today we will learn about division. Okay, so now division sign. What is the sign of the division? So point number one, division sign. Okay, how we will understand that this sum is division or not? Division sign is looks like this and this. Now, how we can just implement this in the mathematics, right? So we will learn about it. Now, suppose you are having 6 balls. Okay. Now, your father told you that you have to distribute these 6 balls to your 3 friends. Okay. Means 3 friends you are there, and each of them will get some balls. So first time, what you suppose this is your friend number 1, this is your friend number 2, and this is your friend number 3. Okay. Now you started distributing among them. What you will do? First ball you give it to him, second ball you give it to him, third ball you give it to him. Afterwards you will see that you are having next 3 balls. So next 3 balls again you started distributing it and distributing it. So at an instant, if these all are red balls and these all are blue balls, okay, at one instant everyone will have one blue balls, and everyone will have one red balls. That means 6 balls were there, and while you are just distributing among these in the three of your friends, each of them are getting two balls. Now, how will this function is known as? This function is entirely known as the division. Okay. So here comes the question: if it is known as the division, then what is the means? How we can perform it in the reality? Now here we can just simply see that division we are just performing like that. So by 3 we are dividing, by 3 we are dividing, by 3 we are dividing, and we will go through the 3's table. 3 ones are 3, and 3 twos are 6. Okay, so 3 twos are 6. Like this way we are writing. Now here is the twist. Here you have to see that this is called dividend. This is called divisor, and this is called quotient. Okay, and here in this case, while we are after division, the remainder is 0, so this is called remainder. Or we can just write like that: dividend, quotient, divisor, and remainder. So in your copy you will write only what I am marking by pink: this part, this part, and this part. You will write in your copy. Yes, Sifa. Understood? Sifa. Okay, okay. Sifa, unmute once more. Sifa, are you understanding this? Why you raised your hand? Soel, you understood this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all
Speak
I
in
am
English.
completed.
All you have
Ma'am,
completed, then also you have to do it in the class. Otherwise, classwork part you will leave. No, back at home you completed. It's very good, but you need to do everything in the classwork. Again, one time division will be done.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm. So for division also you need to memorize the multiplication table. I hope that you have completed, okay? So we are just go I'm just sharing you the book from where we will start the division. Okay, first exercise A, first we will start the division. Now exercise A, there are certain few things that divide it. You have to make the groups and you need to divide it. Now making the groups and divide, that means what? Suppose here how many sticks are there? You need to find the groups. In this is one group, this is another, this is another, this is another. Like this way the groups are formed. So how many groups are there? 6 groups. Just wait, I can't see. Okay, so here we can just do one thing. Here 6 groups are there, and in the each group 2 sticks are there. So 10 computers are there, and we can write like that. Here 2 groups are there. So in the group 5 computers are there, and here 3 groups are there, and 7 means 3 lines are there. And here okay, solve it. So next year I am just crossing few sums. Those sums is not required. Okay, those sums are not required. Do one thing, just cross question number 2, question number 3. Division by number line you don't have to understand right now. Division by number line you don't have to understand right now. Cross these things in the book. Question I will also not give. Yes, Soil. Unmute, please. Unmute. Yes, Amar, unmute.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
you pass in your whiteboard division example. I write this.
You written this? Okay, okay, no problem. If you have written, it's not a problem. But you don't have to do this question number 2, 3 in your book by pencil. Please mark it. Question number 2, 3. These things are what I am just crossing, because in your class 3, if you are going to learn up to the division properly, it's okay, fine. Division by number line again, that will come in the higher class. That time you will get to learn. Okay, so 2 and 3, please cross it. Going to the next page. Next page also. Okay, nothing is there. There are some division facts and properties. Those things we will cover. Okay. So first we will cover the properties of division, because these things are important, because you know that in the class test many a times I am giving the questions from the short question or from the properties. Okay, so here you need to understand, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. That means number itself means, suppose 13. If we are dividing 13 by 13, the answer will come as 1. Any number, if we are dividing by that same number, the answer will come as 1. Okay, any number divided by 0 is not defined. Not defined means 0 দিয়ে কাউকে ভাগ করতে পারবো না. These things you need to memorize, and means up to the time you will learn maths, because this is a very, very, very important property of a division. Okay, next is a number is divided by 1 gives the quotient equal to the number itself. That means if we are dividing 13 by 1, the number will come back again to us as the answer. When 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. Means 0, I told you, a very special number in maths. Okay, I told you, right? Right or wrong? Show me a thumbs up, all of you. Yes, Shoel, why you are just raising your hand, and why your video is not visible? Unmute, please. Shohel.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
Shohel.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Friendship Day.
For that you are raising your hand. For this type of stupid question. Friendship Day was yesterday. Okay, and yes, happy Friendship Day to all of you later. Means I have wished you later. Okay, thank you. Now here this properties, you please underline this thing, because fill in the blanks or multiple choice type questions I will definitely give from here. MCQ type questions I will give from here. Okay, I hope this is done, marked on your book. Exercise B, we will start. Exercise B, what is the question? Write multiplication facts from the division facts. Now for this type of sum, you need to understand few things. So please write in your copy exercise B. I hope classwork and TATE you have already written and already solved few sums, and these sums you need to solve it in the copy. Whatever I am going to write afterwards, you need to solve it in the copy. Okay, 74 page is not here in this Blu-ray version. All of you see there the page number is wrong, 73 and 75. So 73 page first we will solve. After that I am having the book. I will I will see the 74 page, then I will check. Now for division facts means here, suppose I am dividing one example I have given you. I'm dividing it by 3 and we are getting 2. So on that reverse, we can just do one thing. We can just multiply 3 and 2. That means 3 and 2. We are if multiplying, that will also give 6 as your result, right? Now from the from the division, don't write now. While I will give you time to write. That time I will bring my book. So from here we can write like that, that 6 is here what? 6 is here dividend, right? So we can write dividend equal to quotient into divisor. Okay, so we can write like that, quotient into divisor, right? So whenever we will just put everything in this formula, we will get our answer. So this is our formula. Please first write this thing with your pencil and mark it. I am bringing my book. After that, exercise B, we will start. Okay, so I hope that all of you have completed this. So going to the exercise B. Exercise B, I am just starting to do. Exercise B, what they written that write the multiplication fact from the division following division fact. So 1A, we will first copy the sum. 56 divided by 8, that is 7. So here we will write like that. Dividend equal to 56, divisor equal to 8, and quotient equal to 7. Then we will write that we know that we know that divide dividend equal to divisor into quotient, implies that this is called okay. So somehow my net connection was unstable. Okay, that is why some problem was there. Okay, divisor dividend equal to divisor equal to quotient. So implies that 56 equal to 8 into 7. So in the each sum, you need to write this thing. So 1A and B right now you complete. Rest of the sums are same writing you need to cover up. You can do. Okay. Okay. B sum also you complete. B sum also you complete. B sum also you complete by yourself. Rest of the sums from this question number 1 will be your homework. rest of the sums mean C, D.
Ma'am,
E. Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, question number 15, practice test, and ma'am, answer is wrong.
140,
Ma'am,
that answer, 140 answer, 28 into 5.
yes, ma'am. কিন্তু ওখানে দেখাচ্ছে 70.
Oh, yeah. That by mistake it has means BC's mistake was there while I was putting that. I have seen that means much later someone informed me, so I couldn't just if the examination link is passed, means the time is passed, I can't just rectify that. Okay.
ম্যাম ম্যাম
Nothing.
হিন্দিতে একটা হয়েছে।
Hindi, I can't say anything because Hindi questions I am not doing, right? So